I like it for a variety of reasons. We have, I find that the students that we get tend to be very engaged students who are coming. Our Jewish Studies program has a really good tradition of placing students in Jewish social services in the Jewish professional world. And so a lot of them come specifically intending on working in the Jewish professional world, and so are immediately engaged in the material. And they're interesting to work with. But we also get a bunch of students who are taking Jewish Studies courses for very random reasons. And their interaction and the way these different groups interact is really interesting. Some of the ones, we get some Christian fundamentalists who take the courses also because they're interested in the Jewish people and their history. And we get people who take courses, who come in with all types of pre-existing stereotypes about who Jews are. Sometimes they come in thinking that all Jews are Einsteins and they want to learn how to be like that. At other times they come in thinking all Jews are Madoffs and they want to learn about that. And it's kind of our role to show them that there are Jews who, well, there's one Jew who was Einstein, there was one Jew who was Madoff, and then there's many others, and that Jewish history is has a lot of different elements to it, and to engage them in that. And it's interesting to see the students from different backgrounds interact with each other and learn from each other. And I think that's the great thing that a university can do, is a lot of these students grow up within a very compact environment, and they're only interacting with people who think the way that they think. And this works, for the Jewish students who are coming from, the East Coast, and it works with the, local, kids from Indiana who are also coming in, the non-Jewish kids who are coming from small towns in Indiana. And the university classroom gives them the opportunity to interact for often the first time with people from diverse backgrounds who think differently than them. And that's a really fun thing to partake in and to help them work out.